Hi, I'm delighted to introduce the virtual ceremony of the Innovation Awards Roulier 2020. First of all, I would like to thank all the universities and the applicants. For this second edition, we have recorded an important traffic on our dedicated website. Tens of thousands of visitors, and we received 101 applications coming from 32 countries representing the 5 continents. It was exciting to see the quantity, quality, scientific robustness, and originality of the innovative submissions we received. As you know, the Innovation Awards Roulier 2020 rewards 2 projects. One in plant nutrition, with a focus this year on soil, and another one for the first time in animal nutrition. The latter with a larger scope within mineral nutrition, nutriment availability, health and immunity, or animal welfare. There will be a financial support to conduct the project linked to a 1-year partnership with the group. I would like to thank all the jury members who have taken time for the difficult task of selecting the 2 winners. All of them are key opinion leaders in their areas of expertise. In plant nutrition, Sharon Long from Stanford University, Johannes Lehmann from Cornell University in the US, and Gunther Brader from the Austrian Institute of Technology. In animal nutrition, Paul Bicker from Wageningen University in the Netherlands, Paulo Carvalho from University of Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil, and Mario Estevez from the University of Extremadura in Spain. To all of you, in the name of the group, a big thanks for your time and for sharing with the wealth of your knowledge and expertise. Now it's time to give you the name of our 2 winners. It's my pleasure to hand you over to Florent Cap, General Manager of Timac Agro France.
It's an honor to give this award to a French researchers team from Rennes. They have been selected by an international jury between other 65 projects. Our agriculture is the most sustainable model in the world. This sustainability will come from innovation. The value chain between universities, private companies and farmers is the key to improve crop production in quality and quantity. In one word, the final goal is to support the profitability of farmers. I'm really sure that Cécile and Abdelak will help us to provide a breakthrough innovation.
I am Cécile Monard. I am a CNRS researcher at the EcoBiolab at the Ozur in the University of Rennes 1. I am a microbial ecologist specialized in soil microbiology, particularly interested in the involvement of microorganisms in soil functioning and how they interact with other organisms such as plants and earthworms.
I'm a plant molecular biologist. I work at the University of Rennes in a pluridisciplinary structure investigating environmental and ecological sciences. My research department, the Earth Sciences and Astronomy Observatory and the EcoBio, are associated with CNRS. I have been involved in many research programs investigating molecular biology and functional genomics.
With my colleague Abdelak El-Amrani, we propose an innovation project to the Innovation Award of the Groupe Roulier that aims at identifying a new way for plants to communicate with soil microorganisms in their rhizosphere. We know that plants have several ways to interact with fungi, bacteria and archaea in their roots and in the surrounding soil, and we hypothesize that another way could be based on molecular signals. If so, it means that this interaction between plant and soil microorganisms could be controlled without genetical modification in order to make the plant select beneficial microorganisms in their rhizosphere. Timac Agro is an internationally well-known company in agronomy, and we expect this collaboration to make our research apply to develop environmental-friendly solutions in agriculture.
We strongly believe that this green, environmental and friendly strategy is timely and very promising and will be widely used in plant nutrition and plant protection strategies. The goal of our application to the Innovation Award Roulier 2020 is to add value to our academic research and work together with a very valuable socio-economic actor to develop our attractive and innovative academic research. We are very enthusiastic and looking forward to start this collaboration.
Thanks a lot and congratulations for this excellent application. We are delighted to start this partnership with you. It's my pleasure now to hand you over to Diego Anaya, Sales Director Americas for Phosphea, who is going to announce the winner of the animal nutrition category.
Thank you, Arno, for the introduction. Phosphea is a subsidiary of Groupe Roulier, a global expert in macrominerals who develop high-performance solutions for different stakeholders in animal nutrition industry. For both Groupe Roulier and Phosphea, animal nutrition and the digestibility is our daily challenge in even more Brazil. This is the focus of the winnings project in animal nutrition. So congratulations to Professor Giombelli from Federal University of Lavras and Professor Duarte from Federal University of Viçosa.
Thank you, Diego. I am Matheus Giombelli, and I work as an assistant professor of Animal Growth and Development and Beef Cattle Production at the Department of Animal Science at Federal University of Lavras.
I am Marcio Duarte. I'm assistant professor at the Animal Science Department of Federal University of Viçosa in Brazil. I have been working with muscle biology and nutrigenomics in farm animals.
Thank you, Professor Duarte. Can you tell about the project, please?
So feeder programming has been one of the most promising production technologies that would improve animal productivity. And with that project, we aim to integrate knowledge to reveal molecular mechanisms underlying the skeletal muscle development at early life stage that would help producers to precisely manage their nutrition at this crucial stage of development.
The nitrogen and phosphorus are the most deficient nutrients for cattle raised on tropical pastures and grasslands across the world. We have proposed the use of a system biology approach to improve the comprehension of biological mechanisms and long-term animal responses when nitrogen and phosphorus nutrition are improved during special physiological stages of bovine's early development.
I have two questions. Why do you apply it? And the second question is, what do you expect with this collaboration?
We believe it's a great opportunity to connect our research with the Roulier Group's innovation power. We look forward to starting the collaboration with CMI for generating important results for the science and for the producers across the world.
We also believe that this award is definitely a great channel to translate basic science to applied science that would reach out the field and help to improve beef cattle productivity. We expect with this collaboration to develop nutritional tools that can be used by beef producers.
Thank you. For Phosphea, this project represents a great opportunity. Basically, the objective of Professor Giombelli and Professor Duarte project is work to efficiency and assimilation of macrominerals in ruminants, reducing and maintaining the low impact in the environment. We are delighted to collaborate in this project with the professors. As you can see, unfortunately, the health situation does not allow us to meet face to face, but I hope to do soon. Congratulations once again.
Thanks, Diego, and hopefully we will see you soon in the CMI in France. The strong link with the scientific community and universities is very important for the Groupe Roulier and the CMI. We have a clear complementary skills. The more fundamental approach of the universities combine perfectly well with the applied research driven by the CMI. This is the synergy we want to strengthen with the Innovation Awards Roulier. I'd like to thank all of you, those who submitted applications, the nominees, and the winners, of course, but also jury members and all the team who work hard to conduct this event in this very particular year. Let's now listen to our Executive Board President, Sébastien Chauffeau, Who will conclude this ceremony?
The Innovation Awards were designed to serve sustainable and efficient agriculture. Our aim is to bring together scientists and farmers in order to highlight revolutionary ideas and transform genius into concrete progress. The Groupe Roulier is a plant nutrition and animal nutrition specialist with Timac Agro, Phosphea, Timam Magnesium, who markets solutions in over 131 countries. Innovation has been at the heart of our DNA for more than 60 years in order to maximize the performance of our customers with mineral solutions, ensure sustainable development of our activities at the service of local customers and challenges, and transform constraints into opportunities. Year 2020 demonstrated against the globalization of events, whether for the worse with the large-scale dissemination of the COVID, but also for the better with scientific teams mobilized around the world to find innovative solutions. As a result, the worldwide animation of scientific subjects focused on plant and animal nutrition is obviously beneficial, as the stakes are nothing less than global in terms of nutrition. Durability of resources with optimization of the right dose in order to enhance performance. Quality and safety in animal feed, animal well-being, efficiency to be able to feed the planet while allowing producers to make a living from their hard work. The 2020 vintage of the Innovation Awards is first and foremost the success of a scientific community, which has been able to respond with ambitious and original projects, and which represent real industrial potential. The jury had the difficult task to search for the best balance between scientific excellence and industrial interest. I would like to thank the eminent members of the jury, as well as all the candidates and Roulier teams who have shown resilience to ensure that this event takes place despite the sanitary conditions. I extend my congratulations to the winners and look forward to our future collaborations. A man, a woman alone is nothing, but the combination of talents opens the field of all possibilities for the benefit of future generations.